Kumarakom village tour offers pure rustic charm and authentic local experiences. Let's discover it together. To explore Kumarakom villages, tourists set off on a local boat from the Kavanachinkara boat jetty, where the journey quietly begins. A community tour leader comes along to help you decode the everyday Kumarakom scenes you pass through. The first stop is a local home. The family has some interesting activities lined up for visitors. Coir making is the tour's opening experience. Tourists from Kerala may have seen this at least on television, but for most other visitors, it's often magical.
To make the rope, we use this coir. Coir is a substance which is extracted from the husk of coconut shell. And the process is, firstly we will collect the fresh coconut shell, then it is dried for about 4 months and soaked in water for 2 months. After soaking in water, we can beat this and separate all the husk. We do the dehusking and we get the softened fibers like this. It is called as coir, and this coir is used to make the rope, mat, mattress and so many craft items. Now she will show the modern way of rope making. In the earlier days it was done by hands and by spinning wheels. Now you can see.
The journey of a coconut husk becoming a coir rope is simple, rhythmic, and unexpectedly enchanting to behold. Guests can also attempt coir making firsthand with patient guidance from the family. While the demonstration uses modern electricity-assisted tools, watching the age-old traditional technique is even more mesmerizing. Next in line, traditional shampoo making, a process every Keralite recognizes. Our humble hibiscus or chembarati leaves transforming into a soothing shampoo. Domestic visitors might give the next drill a miss, trying on the local Kerala attire. But foreigners love it. What's lined up next is also too familiar for Keralites: coconut trees. But have you ever climbed one? This, my friends, is an adventure too cool to miss. The community tour leader climbs a tree with a simple device called the coconut tree climber. She also helps tourists try it. You might feel like an amateur Spider-Man, but the experience is totally worth it. The journey continues through Kumarakam canals to another house, offering a whole new set of experiences. And the first delight here, fresh toddy or Madhurakalla poured straight from the coconut tree. Fresh and invigorating, yet gentle. This isn't the kind of toddy that makes you break into a dance, unless you want to. Yeah, toddy was great, but our tummies can still demand more. After all, it's lunchtime. What's on the menu? A traditional Kerala meal served on a banana leaf loaded with fresh seafood. The ethnic cuisine experience is a highlight that requires a special booking with the Kumarakam village tour. Local families often catch fish straight from the canal in front of their homes, where a variety of species swim freely. After a wholesome lunch and some rest, tourists also get to check out coconut leaf mat weaving and screw pine weaving. The 2-hour tour leaves both your heart and stomach delightfully full. Truly, a slice of village life a visitor will never forget.